Justin Sun buys a Warhol NFT. Binance gets chased down by regulators. Wright wins against Bitcoin. The white paper. What is going on? Guys, lots of news today. We're going to do a hyper round of news. Lots to talk about, lots to cover. I'm scanning my tabs, and my tabs are very, very busy here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you very, very much. Hit that bell if you're new. Subscribe. Help support the channel. Hit the like button. Do me a favor. If you were in a position where you felt you were about to make $5 million off of an ingenious cryptocurrency investment, would you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell? Do it with that kind of enthusiasm for me. I'll wait 3 seconds while you do it. It's free to do. I promise I'll leave you better than I found you, rather. Need more coffee. That's what happens when I stumble. Anyhow, I'm waiting. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of the video. Okay, so Binance served a warning by Japan's FSA for operating without authorization. By the way, BitTorrent BTT broke the triangle. I'm going to tell you what that means during the video. Through the hyper round, we're going to fly through a lot. So, as usual, source, Cointelegraph. Check out the article. I won't go through all of them. I'm going to bring you up to date with the latest news, cryptocurrency news. Crypto exchange giant Binance is the latest platform to receive a warning from regulators in Japan for operating in the country without a license. Operating in the country without a license. I mean, they're pretty big enough. They've progressed far enough. Is this a political thing? I mean, would they not know they need a license? Why would Binance operate without a license unless everybody operates without a license in these countries? Let's see. Crypto trading platform Binance may once again be heading for a standoff with financial regulators in Japan. On Friday, the Financial Services Agency FSA issued a warning to Binance, accusing the company of offering crypto exchange services in the country without registration. The agency also served a similar warning to crypto derivatives trading platform Bybit back in May. Maybe they want them to pay for certain licenses and apply and jump through certain regulatory hoops, because the mainstreaming that I've been wanting, that I've been telling you guys is also important, is starting to happen, and with that comes stricter regulation. After China banned crypto trading back in 2017, Binance, I'm going to get on to another article in about 5 seconds. Binance, along with many other Chinese exchanges, moved to Japan. All right, so check this one out. If you like it, you have it at Cointelegraph. Let's see what's up with Mr. Wright. Wright wins default judgment. Bitcoin.org must remove Bitcoin paper. Wow. So this is the guy that claims to be Satoshi. He says he's Satoshi. He's adamant he's Satoshi. I don't think he's Satoshi. However, what's interesting is, how did he manage to win this default judgment? This is ludicrous. Bitcoin.org must now remove the Bitcoin paper, host a notice referring to the court's judgment, and pay $48,600 to cover Wright's legal costs. The proclaimed Satoshi Nakamoto and Bitcoin SV proponent Wright has won a legal battle claiming copyright infringement on the part of Bitcoin.org for hosting the Bitcoin paper. Wright won by default after the website's pseudonymous owner, Cobra, chose not to mount a defense. Oh. Well, I guess it's easy to win when somebody doesn't mount a defense, but why wouldn't he mount a defense? Bitcoin.org must now remove the white paper and display a notice referring to the judgment and cough up at least $35,000. I mean, was the free advertising for Bitcoin.org? I mean, did they really need it that badly? And was it worth losing the case, not spending any money, or having to spend, more importantly, time? Because time is worth more than money most of the time. I don't think you could get a better advertisement of why Bitcoin is necessary than what happened today. Well, rules enforced through cryptography are far more superior than rules based on whoever can spend hundreds of thousands of dollars in court. Well, that may be true. All right, let's go to, and remember, Bitcoin broke, not Bitcoin, but rather BitTorrent broke the triangle. I'm going to tell you what that means. why it's great news, and why it's good. Justin Sun's doing some shopping. Ethereum Classic devs announce an upcoming hard fork. So Ethereum Classic gets a major upgrade in July. Here's how it will save users on gas fees. On Monday, developers of the Ethereum Classic ETC blockchain announced a hard fork to implement the project's latest version, now scheduled for launch in late July. All the articles today have been from Cointelegraph so far, so you can find them all there. You have Wright over here, you have the Binance over here. They're all Cointelegraph and this one as well. These proposals are meant to improve the network's security while saving on gas costs by storing addresses and keys in one place for users to access with a single transaction. I really believe TRON will eat Ethereum's lunch. It's going to take some time. By the way, I've had people ask me, why isn't TRON TRX and BitTorrent, why aren't they more listed on a more wider range of exchanges? There's a lot of cryptocurrencies. It's a vast, vast sea. Everything that's worthy of something good gets its time. They will get in there, but it's just not a matter of if, it's a matter of when, and that's all there is to it. There's nothing really that complicated about it. Expect even more oversight of crypto from regulators, says Etoro. So Etoro here, Yoni Asia believes the unprecedented retail investor interest will push regulators to be more, he's right, proactive about crypto regulation. Crypto-friendly trading platform Etoro is expecting regulators to ratchet up their oversight of the crypto industry, given the industry high levels of participation by retail traders and small investors. In comments for the Financial Times, the Israeli-based company's CEO, Yoni, said, you could see here what he said, and they have a ton of customers. Most of their customers, I believe, are in Europe. So we got that. Let's see what's happening we got a new partnership. Crypto.com taps Circle for global dollar deposits. Crypto.com and Circle's partnership enabled US dollar deposits and receiving USDC for users in more than 30 countries. More important, mainstreaming, huge for TRON, TRX, BitTorrent, and the altcoins. Once again, you have this at Cointelegraph. Now we got some more Canadian regulator craziness. Canadian business, oh no, it's not Canadian regulator. It's the first business. Canadian business becomes the first public Lightning Network company. A business that aims to accelerate the adoption of Bitcoin has become the first publicly listed Lightning Network company. Interesting. And it's Canadian. Imagine with the regulators in Canada cracking down, not letting action take place, cracking down hard on exchanges, and then this pops up. So it's like the Wild West. Everything's everywhere, and you can't take too to heart in terms of things that are being done as a crackdown, and regulatory moves aren't necessarily etched in stone. There's too many multi-directional movements and contradictory ones like this. A Canadian business has become the world's first publicly listed company to be entirely focused on the Lightning Network. That's them. Didn't want to do that. That's them. You can check out the article, Cointelegraph. Let's fly to blockchain. That's why we call it the hyper news round. We're all over the place. Blockchain analytics firm Nansen secures $12 million in Andreessen Horowitz-led raise. The investment round will allow Nansen to continue building its analytics suite while also expanding its services to emerging networks like Polygon and Binance Smart Chain. So you get the gist, and you know where to go check it out. South African asset manager denies stealing billions from users, claims $5 million was lost in a hack. It's so often this happens when money disappears. They say they were hacked. Maybe they were, I don't know. Anyhow, I think I touched on that briefly yesterday also. So Binance suspends, or it was one of the last videos that I talked about that a little bit. Binance suspends popular fiat ramp for UK customers amid regulatory crackdown. That's not going to be fun. We got Polygon announcing a scalable data availability infrastructure. And we got, let's see here, according to a release issued on Monday, Polygon revealed that Avail will function as a data available tool for execution layers like sidechains, standalone networks, and larger protocols. BTT Price Prediction, BitTorrent finally breaks the triangle. So now what? Now what? Now is, that's what? like I've been saying, just keep cool. The BTT price has reversed higher following a test of a major support level. Furthermore, BitTorrent has now broken above a significant trend line. BitTorrent is last trading at, you can see it, BTT has a current market cap of around 1.7 billion and now ranks as the 51st largest crypto after being leapfrogged by Decred, whose value increased to 1.7 billion. The crypto market is certainly not for the faint-hearted. For those of us that cut our teeth on the FX and commodity trading desks, the volatility takes some getting used to. So 9 days ago, this guy wrote that, you know, it was going to basically crash and burn. And during the article, he talks about, he talks in the article how, well, was he kind of half right because I don't know, he doesn't want to be wrong or admit that he was wrong. I admit when I'm wrong all the time. Anyhow, you could see the article, Investing Cube, if you're interested. And here we go. We got Justin Sun pulling out the wallet, staying in the press. TRON founder Justin Sun appears to have made one of the first ever purchases on Binance's new NFT marketplace called Binance NFT. Sun paid $2.8 million for an NFT of Andy Warhol's self-3 portraits. You can read about the article, of course. It's blackonomy.com. Thank you for watching. Hope this finds you healthy, happy as usual, and I will see you on the next video.